This is the current state of my room. It's time to clean my room. I'm doing a closet clean out. I'm gonna completely reorganize my vanity. I'm gonna figure out better organization systems, and we are just going to clean in all of the places that go forgotten. You were looking for some motivation to clean your room. This video is it. Let's get cleaning. Okay, today we're gonna start easy. Mostly it's clothes on the floor, so I'm gonna get everything off the floor right now and fold the clothes.
Estava a viver, caminhando na vida, sempre chorando por uma nova ferida.
It's a new day. It's ladies' breakfast time, and we are so excited to be partnering with Hill's Pet Nutrition. One thing that no one really prepares you for when becoming a new dog mom is how much guilt comes with it. Every morning when I'm getting ready to leave, I honestly wish so badly I could just stay home with Lady all day. Even quick errands make me feel bad. We are so attached to each other. So something that gives me real peace of mind in our routine is knowing the choices I can control, like what I feed her, are supporting her long and healthy life. Right, Lady? Hill's has science-led nutrition and is the #1 veterinarian recommended brand in the US. Hill's actually has over 200 veterinarians and food scientists behind their formulas, and they've been supporting pets and their people for more than 75 years. Feeding Lady Hill's helps me let go of some of that guilt and focus more on the joy of being her person. You're only human, and that's why there's Hill's. So check out Hill's pet food options in the description below. And thank you so much, Hill's, for sponsoring this video. This is my craft sewing caddy, but it's a complete mess, and I feel like I just need a different system. Okay, so I got some extra storage. I don't think I'm somebody who can have visible clutter because it just gets cluttered so fast. These are the drawers we're gonna put together right now. Now it is officially time to tackle my closet. It's actually looking worse than I remember. Down here, this is literally Lady pulled this out. This is her stuff, so we need to figure out a new situation for that. And then this side is just looking horrific. Like, I don't know. I don't even know what to say. What do you think, Lady? I pulled everything out and then I reorganized so that it made a bit more sense where everything went, and I think this new system looks so much better. I kind of have my boyfriend's stuff on the lower shelf and then my stuff up above. I think that over here, my goal is to get rid of some stuff and then deal with my sweaters, because so much of this is literally just like winter stuff, and it's time to put away the winter sweaters. So I think a lot of them I'm gonna put up top here. I can live with this. It's looking so much better. I moved so many sweaters up top, and it made a lot more space for me to be able to move this over, which just think this is looking so much better now. And this is looking a lot better too. I was thinking that we were done with these closets. I literally have 2 more giant bags. These are all of my spring clothes that I was keeping at in my childhood bedroom, but now need to be put into these closets. I also want to be somewhat picky about what we put back, and you know what? We might as well take out all of my dresses here. Only put the ones that I really want to keep back in. I was avoiding it, but I think the time has come. I also just found this in the closet, and I genuinely have no idea what's in here. So let's go through this. Most everything in here I did not want anymore, so I went into my donate pile, but I did find this cute hat. And then I decided to use this crate to store my shoes. And then I just vacuumed the closet before putting everything back. This is what we're working with on the floor right now. So let's start putting stuff away. This is my favorite. It's overall season and my floral pair. I have so many slip dresses. They're like my collection. They're my artwork, so I have to keep them. Rapid fire of dresses that I'm definitely putting back. This one needs a good steaming. This is my favorite dress I've ever made. cute dress I made. I made this in a night for graduation last year. So cute. This dress is so cute. Oh, I can't wait to wear this again. I might make this into a top because I feel like I don't get much wear out of it as a dress. I'm putting it here for now. I added this trim to this white dress and I think it's so cute. Cutie bunny vest. Cute. I like love this dress, but also kind of don't love it. Like I don't love how it looks on me. I saw this. First black dress that I made. Amy Jane London just sent me this dress. I think it's so pretty. This brand called Maison Amory just sent me this dress. I share this dresser with my boyfriend. We both have 2 drawers, so I'm gonna take everything out of my drawers.
So I decided to do a TJ Maxx run because next up we are reorganizing my vanity and I wanted to find some better organization systems and they had so many cute options. I swear Lady loves shopping just as much as I do. She always gets so excited when we go into TJ Maxx, so this is our favorite errand to run together. I obviously also had to walk down the bedding aisle. Even though I wasn't really looking, I found this adorable shabby chic duvet cover and it's literally the perfect spring and summer bedding that I've always kind of had in my head but never actually seen at the store.
Okay, I got the goods. I just went to TJ Maxx because I found everything I needed there. I got this drawer organizing set because as you can see behind me, we need to deal with my vanity next and the drawers are horrendous. So we need to do some serious organizing. Then I wasn't looking for any bedding, but I always have to walk down the bedding aisle and I came across this comforter and it's so pretty and also 100% cotton. And then I also thought these pillows went so well with it and also just kind of like bring the earthiness back into it because I feel like that's very princessy and I definitely really like the brown aspect that we've been having going with the bedding, so I feel like these will go really nicely together. Also Lady like loves sitting on top of our pillows, so I think that she'll really like these. These are actually fresh sheets on my bed as well, just want to say. I changed them yesterday before I went to Home Goods.
And now, the moment we've all been waiting for. It's unfortunately time to clean under my bed.
Yeah, that's pretty bad. Horrifying.
Half of this stuff I did not even remember having. So my new motto is that if I don't remember having it and my life was perfectly fine without it, I do not need it anymore. I reorganized and vacuumed like crazy. Wasn't cutting it though for the little corners and the amount of dust under there. So it was time for me to do the brave thing and venture under there myself. Like cleaned under here. Like I've reorganized under here since moving in, but I haven't like gotten under here and literally wiped everything down, and it's horrifying. Here's your sign to clean under your bed.
So throughout the course of this video, every single time that I have not known where to put something, I've put it on this vanity. Now I am paying the consequences for that, but it's okay because we are going to completely reorganize this. I got these little drawer organizers because let me show you what these drawers currently look like. Yeah, they need an upgrade. Miss Lady is peacefully taking her nap on the new bedding. She loves it. She's so peaceful. Okay, now these are everything that I don't use, or they're empties, or they've expired. have like a love-hate relationship with this thing. At first I thought it was so cute, but I feel like it gets cluttered really fast.
Decided that I want to get a new vanity. But in the meantime, I have all these little spots and stains that I have just not been able to get off. So I tried and true baking powder, and it actually did a pretty good job getting off the really stubborn spots.
So I think Lady's getting a little jealous of my closet. Lady has some clothes of her own, but I keep them all just in this bag and it's literally overflowing. So I decided we're gonna build Lady her own princess wardrobe. Lady, are you ready to see? So let's put this together and put her clothes in it. Time for our final vacuum. So the room is officially finished. It's looking so good. Before I show you, let me remind you what we started with. Here's what the room is looking like now. I am just feeling so good going into spring and summer with my newly refreshed, clean room. That was so intense, but I cannot tell you how much mental space I feel like it cleared in my brain to literally just clean under my bed. Like the fact that that is not something that's just weighing on my subconscious anymore is amazing. Anyway, I hope that this video motivated you to clean your room. Thank you again so much to Hills for sponsoring this video. Lady is obsessed with the food. Comment down below all of your spring and summer goals into existence. I love you so much and I will see you in my next video. Bye! Mwah.